God bless you. Predestined Seed. We are Cueva.com. This is the bread of life today. Joel 3:14. Multitudes, multitudes in the valley of decision, for the day of the Lord is near in the valley of decision. Listen now, the voice of God's prophet for this day.
This is a choosing time. You cannot stand neutral any longer. You may leave before the message is over, but you can't go out that door the same person you come in. That's right. You'll cross that threshold tonight either a better person or a more evil person than you was when you entered. You can't help it. It's up to you to make a decision. Now notice, it's a choosing time. You can't be neutral. It's a choosing time. You must choose you this day whom you're going to serve.
One day I'm gonna take that step into my theophany. One day I'm gonna take that step into my theophany. One day I know that final step is gonna set me free. My theophany, that I hear it calling me. One day I'm gonna take that step into my theophany. One day I'm gonna take that step into my theophany. One day I know that final step is gonna set me free. My theophany, that I hear it calling me. It's a call to come up a little higher, into the perfect world. Saints, come up a little higher, into agape love. Church, come up a little higher, so through the heavenlies, by theophany, I hear it calling me. Don't you worry, little children. Should death knock on your door, don't you know that death is a doorway that leads to the heavenly shore? Over there, there's no heartache, no dying in that land, just peace and joy, and perfect love beyond compare. One day I'm gonna take that step into my theophany. One day I'm gonna take that step into my theophany. One day I know that final step is gonna set me free. My theophany, that I hear it calling me. It's a call to come up a little higher, into the world of faith. Church, come up a little higher, into agape love. Oh, come up a little higher, so through the heavenlies, by theophany, that I hear it calling me. Oh, when I look over there, all I see.
Shalom. If this video was a blessing for your life, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God keep you, dear brother and sister.
Quiero amarte, Señor, y sentir la paz excelsa de tu amor.